Struggling to make scroll-stopping videos for your brand or product? You're not alone. UGC-style content dominates TikTok, Reels, and ads in 2025. But hiring creators or editors can cost a fortune. What if you could make viral-ready videos in minutes, for free, with AI? Well, here are 8 insanely powerful UGC video makers, and the best part, most of them cost $0 to start. 1. TopView AI, best overall. This is the king of AI video automation. Just drop your product link, and it builds an entire UGC-style video, script, stock clips, captions, voiceovers, everything. It uses GPT-4o and 11 Labs for natural voice and editing that feels human. Supports 20+ languages and pulls viral hooks from TikTok and YouTube trends. Great for Shopify, Amazon, and global brands that want to scale content fast. 2. Creatify.ai. Perfect for ad agencies and creators who want control with speed. Creatify builds UGC scripts based on your product and matches it with real AI-generated avatars. It offers editing, captions, and dynamic text, great for TikTok-style motion. You can customize the voice tone, pacing, and length of the video. Free tier available, and exports are watermark-free on trials. 3. Sendshort.ai. Sendshort specializes in making short-form UGC videos from just a few text prompts. It focuses on engagement and retention, ideal for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Great for marketers, add calls to action, auto-scheduling, and smart hook detection. Its built-in analytics tool helps track performance across platforms. Free plan includes up to 5 monthly exports, ideal for testing campaigns. 4. Clipvideo.ai. Want to turn boring product shots into viral UGC? Clipvideo does it instantly. It analyzes your media and inserts stock footage, transitions, voiceovers, and trending music. Perfect for solo entrepreneurs or dropshippers. You don't need any editing skills, just upload and go. Basic plan is free and even includes auto-resizing for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. 5. Arcads.ai. Arcads is built for smart marketers who want real data-driven storytelling. It builds AI UGC videos from e-commerce product URLs and optimizes for click-through rates. You can select from emotional tones like fun, trustworthy, or bold. It even suggests viral hooks and CTA overlays based on current trends. One-click export to Meta Ads Manager makes it a dream for paid ad campaigns. 6. Influee.co. Influee focuses on turning your product into a real influencer-style showcase. Submit a brief, and it creates natural UGC scripts and AI-driven video mockups. You can choose avatar styles and even test variations for A/B ad testing. It's beginner-friendly and especially good for mobile-first video content. Free trial includes several credits and access to their creative templates. 7. CreatorKit.com. A toolkit for creators and e-commerce brands who want full control. Generate AI scripts, voiceovers, and auto captions, then refine with drag-and-drop tools. It includes hundreds of templates styled for TikTok, Facebook, and Amazon. Offers branding control, upload your logo, colors, and keep everything on brand. Their free plan gives access to most features, pay only if you scale. 8. MakeUGC.ai. MakeUGC does exactly what the name says, makes influencer-style UGC with no camera needed. It generates videos from your product description and assets with real-sounding avatars. Great for product tutorials, launch promos, and TikTok ads. You can switch between casual and pro tone for different audiences. Free plan includes exports and commercial rights, super rare at this level. And there you have it, the top 8 AI tools for UGC video creation in 2025. Whether you're building a brand, running ads, or just need content fast, these tools save hours and money. Personally, TopView AI is my favorite. It feels like having a full creative team in one click. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this with a content creator who needs it.